There is a similar Christmas tree flip it card out there on HSN, actually, of ours, of course. Like I invented flip it cards in a die form, just saying, a billion years ago, back with Sizzix, back with the big thick dies. Remember, before we had the thin dies, we had the big thick dies. I had flip it cards in the big thick dies. Then the thin dies came out, and then I went crazy. Here we go. Oh, I guess I should show you the packaging first to give you an idea of what we're talking about here. Let's grab this out. This is item number, yes, it is flip it. This is item number 931033. This is one of those, can you fix my comments, please? This is one of those that people will know there is no way you made it. They're going to go, you are insane. It is impossible that you made this yourself, because it's amazing. They're going to think you bought it, because this is just fantastic. So what we have here is the Christmas Tree Edge Flip It die set. Now, yes, we did do a Christmas tree flip it before with HSN, but this one has the fancy edges. And what do I mean by the fancy edges? Let me grab it to show you. You get a lot of pieces, and we're going to show those really quick. But look at that edge. Look at that edge. You have a decal edge all the way around. Then you have the Christmas trees cut out all the way around. Look at that. Oh, Jill says she just started dabbling with flip it dies. You're going to love them. They are so dang easy. You know why they're so easy? Because watch this. You're going to die cut this. You only need 3 dies in reality. You're going to die cut this and die cut this. And I'm going to put this together really, really quick. I'm going to pretend put it together because I got to do it on camera there. But you're going to die cut the green. You're going to die cut the red foil if you want, anything you want. We're going to drop that down, right? We're going to fold it. We're going to hold it in the air. We're going to fold it in half so the corners line up. Take the top flap, fold that up, turn it to the left. There you have your flip it card. Okay, I could not make a card easier than that. Now, of course, there's tons of trees to add to the center. There's words. So you are getting the word peace. You are getting the word, oh, let's just dump them all out. It's easier. You are getting the words joy. You are getting, we wish you a Merry Christmas. If you wanted to, you could cut that up and say Merry Christmas only. If you wanted to, that's up to you. Now, you are getting of course, you're getting all the shadow dies for all of those. Oh, you're also getting Noel. And look at all the little extra trees you're getting. Remember, I showed you that gift bag that had a little tag for a tree? Look at that. You are getting all of these layering dies to layer onto this flip it. Look at that. Boom. Now, look at that. This is item number 931033. Look at all of the dies you're getting. I jam-packed this baby. Look at this. Joy, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Peace. You're getting a die that cuts out a whole bunch of dots for decorations. You're getting star dies with shadows. You're getting the words Noel. Look at all the dies you're getting. Here they are all laid out. So you can see all of the dies I fit in here. All of them. Now, let's look at some samples to give you some ideas to get you started. Again, don't forget, lots of ideas will be on our website. Woo! Remember, camping. This does not have to be Christmas. It could be enjoy the adventure. Enjoy the adventure. I love that. Now, here we go. Here's another one. Merry Christmas. Velvet bow. Velvet bow. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, here's another velvet bow. Oh, look at that. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Fits perfectly on that layering panel. That's not an accident. Velvet bow, though. Velvet bow. You could use just the trees on the front of another card. Just the trees on the front of another card. That is up to you. Look at that velvet bow. Velvet bow. I'm going to be, you guys, when I'm on HSN on Tuesday, it's this Tuesday coming up, I'm going to be like, velvet bow, velvet bow, velvet ribbon, velvet bow the whole time, because the design team, I really asked them, hey, if it makes sense, put them on the card so they can see them on everything. So velvet bow, velvet bow. Again, item number 931033. 931033. Now, remember, you're getting a couple ideas here, but the ideas that I just showed you aren't on here. I have more ideas to show you that day that are not on here. You're going to go to my website, stampsoflife.com. The address is on the email, website is on here. You're going to go to the top of our website. It says HSN. Click on that. Everything that I've ever taken on HSN has an idea gallery. So you're going to find what you purchase, click on it, and all of the ideas. Our design team uploads all of their cards. You're going to see them. So you're going to get this at home, this Flip It, and you're going to say, I love this Flip It. What else could I do with it? You're going to go to that gallery and you're going to see other ideas. You're going to see a camping idea. You're going to see a flat card idea. You're going to see lots of ideas. Okay. So I want you to know, and you're getting that fun edge, that fun cutout edge. Look how awesome that cutout edge is on the edge. It's little trees all the way around. And yes, it makes that fun confetti as well. So many little tiny pieces. Now that is the Christmas tree edge Flip It. Oh yes, please give us a thumbs up